Game 2, both teams are now 2-1. Here's Aharon Cohen. That's a beautiful piece of hitting. Line drive in the gap for a leadoff double. Soli Esses flies out. Aharon could not advance. That play not on camera. Here's Barsano. He gets Aharon to third, but now there's 2 outs, and Elliot Saka batting. Hits it hard, but look at Simcha. He fields his position well, and the side is retired. Z-Train's turn to bat just as the train is coming in on Deal Harbor. MC flies out. Here's Zach Ashkenazi down the left field line. Anyone notice that we removed that fence? There's no fence down there anymore. Z's going to go into third with the triple. Look where this throw goes. Lands in the sweatshirt. How is that possible? Landed in the hood of the sweatshirt. Jeffrey had to go and get it, and umpire just said it's in play. Can you imagine if Zach scored because they couldn't find the ball or they couldn't retrieve it? Anyway, I guess the right call is made. It's got to be in play. Mo Haber reminding all passengers of the train to stow their belongings in the overhead compartment. Hank DeWitt gets intentionally walked, and then Mocas, fielder's choice. They try turning 2. Z scores, and Alan Jamal going to fly out. That's the inning. 1-0 Z-Train after that first inning. What's your dream? Everyone that comes to Hollywood has a dream. That's a very, very old reference from Pretty Woman. Anyway, the train going crazy that they got Hollywood out because they're screaming that the train doesn't stop in Hollywood. Look how loud this team is while playing softball. They are screaming. Charles Saka, batting title champ. He is going to ground out as well. I don't think we're going to see back-to-backs on that batting title. Maybe I'm wrong, but we'll soon find out. Jake Braha, beautiful rope to center. Joey Cohen ends the inning by striking out swinging. How many times do we see it? The guy strikes out the opposing shortstop and then pops up to the opposing third baseman. That's 1 out. Joko unable to play the backhand there. Charles eats it. Here's V. Nice drive, but right to Elsack positioned in right center over there. Good positioning. Mo Haber, that's a routine fly ball. You're going to see some quiet innings right now with Z-Train leading 1-0. Here's a ground ball. The throw is there. I think it hit Ruby's glove. Not sure, but tough to pick it, I guess. Here's a high pop. Ruby handles that one. Next man up is Aharon. This is deep to left. Look at the wind taking it. It takes it all the way out of frame. Apparently it was so windy we couldn't turn the camera. Anyway, a tag up by IC, but he stays right there because Soli Esses goes down looking. He's not happy about that. Says a word or two, but nothing too bad, and goes upon his day. Okay, next inning for the Z-Train. Here's Eli Bahara Braha. Seems like a veteran already, but he's up for Rookie of the Year this year. Anyway, he flies out. MC ground ball to Jake. Jake does not get behind it, but he picks it anyway. Charles does get behind it, retires Z. That's a very quick 1-2-3 inning. That inning was around 30 seconds long. Mark Barsano, he flies out to left. Elsack is walked, and then Hollywood chops the tree down. That's a fly out to MC. This is an easy throw. I don't know where Elsack is going. That tag from first to second with the play in front of him, that's downright insulting. I mean, you're saying MC can't throw the ball 30 feet to get you out. It's a crazy tag, and that's the third out at second base over there. Of course, Elsack saying he was safe and danced around it. Might be, but tough tag to swallow over there. Here's another fly ball, another ridiculous tag. This one is Z. Look at him forcing the pickle. Angel so far executing it okay, but then this. Charles, if you just threw it, you don't catch the next one. Sure enough, they botched the pickle, and Z is safe at first. That's got to be a double play. It's crazy that Charles, who is a Gold Glove, doesn't know after you throw it, you get in the back of the line. I mean, it's a very simple play. There's other reinforcements right there. Anyway, he tags Z this time. Man, first, just terrible base running by both teams in that inning. 2 outs, man on second for Norwood Jr. A chance to add to the 1-0 lead, but Aharon, the leaping grab, that's the inning. The first 4 innings were very quick, very few base runners, a couple of base running mistakes, but that changes in the top of the 5th. Charles Saka breaks the right center gap. That's a leadoff triple for the batting title champ. He's on third base, nobody out. Jake Braha, ground ball. Z looks it back, fires across, way over his head. That's an E6. Run will score, safe at first, so no outs are recorded there. It is 1-1, man on first. Johnny Cohen, the high pop. Z battling the wind out of nowhere. It became extremely windy in the last hour of this game. You can see the shirts on the backs. You can see the garbage cans on the fences. Look at this ball. The wind totally making it swirl around, but Alan Jamal gets under it. Not 23-0, 18-4. 18-4.
It sounds like that.
Norwood used to sponsor us, decided this year he's not going to sponsor us.
No, I got injured as a spectator.
What is it? No!
I took a line drive over here. Hollywood.
That's crazy.
Check it out. Look at it.
Holly, 1-1 game here?
Yeah, we just scored one. We just
All
tied
right.
up Charles Sacker had a triple and brought him home.
Wow.
On a
Oh my
routine
God, it's freezing
ground
here.
into
It's not like this at Fireman's.
No?
No.
Really?
No. It's not even cold at Fireman's. This is
Get out of here.
cold here.
No way.
Oh my God.
Dude, we're in a tunnel.
Has it been windy like this the whole time?
Yeah.
All right, you're on the board. Talk to them about that also. Into the heavy, heavy winds. Alan Jamal on the line chases it down. He's lucky that fence isn't here like last week.
Is that where the fence was?
Yeah, I'm going to Fireman's. This is crazy. It's freezing here.
We got a 1-1. We got a classic.
1-1 game. I love it. Okay. I'm telling you, it's 20 degrees warmer at Fireman's. This is crazy. Yeah. I don't know.
Norman, is it cold yet? Is it cold yet?
It's cold here. It's not cold at
Oh yeah! Go!
That gets by the right fielder. Not a smart dive there by Bahara. We're going to have a plate. The plate, the double clutch!
Yes!
Hank saved that ball from getting away, and it is 2-1 Angels.
Yes, Eddie!
Wow,
Jake,
Sammy Estes down the line.
Almost touched the gate! This was a run!
Wow.
Come on.
2-1?
2-1, yeah.
2-1.
This wind is wild.
El Jefe asking for some Bluestone brokerage here. You.
It's sunny at 5.
Oh my God, and Nuni walks on 4 pitches.
This is the scouting report, Norman. This is the scouting report.
What is the scouting report? That it's going to be 20 degrees here?
Pitched that unbelievable game 1. Game 1.
And then he gets tired in game 2?
Time.
Yeah. You guys gave up 18 runs in game 1.
We split, score. We don't count that run differential the last time.
Yeah, no, you know what? It comes into play at some point. I got 2 Hillel games after this, by the way. And
Norm, this is an interesting field alignment.
Yeah.
The base hit hitter, they're giving the middle wide open.
yeah, and like Jimmy said on the mic'd up, when you go 4 extra holes are open. Oh, that gets by right field. 3-1. Here comes Nuni. Plate to play, another double clutch. Here's a pickle. Z's gonna get him, and that's the 3rd out of the inning. 4-1. Couple of double clutches there at second. 4-1, right? 5-3. Oh, Bahara smacks it very deep. Aron there. What a catch. Chased it down the hill. MC, you taught the man well, MC. You taught him well. Bahara got all that one, Z. 18 runs in the first game. I know you focus here, but you know what happened. I left here with 6-3. They were making fun of the name. They were saying the train, the steam.
We fell into a little bit of a rhythm, thinking it's going to come easy. We got to fight now. It's
You
not going to
gotta
be easy.
fight.
Bottom 5.
There you go.
We got MC up.
You're down 4-1. Bahara smacked that.
Mike, you're not going to get it back in one swing. Just get on. Ding, 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 ding.
MC, beautiful piece of hitting. That's the way to hit. 2 men on for Z.
Let's go, conductor.
Okay, the conductor of the train himself.
Conductor. Choo-choo.
He got big time now. He's got a whole fleet of trains, but I remember when
does.
he used to drive the train himself. Or conduct the train, as I should say. Yeah.
And he's the engineer.
Yeah.
He's done it all. He engineered this franchise.
Interesting, he's stuck with the steam train at all times, the smoke coming out, you know, like a little chimney, a portable
He's not
chimney.
very eco-friendly. But
No.
you know
I saw your team picture on the tracks. It was just beyond. I said, oh my God. Prove it on the next kid. Z, ground ball to first. Sammy plays it. That's a big out. That's a big out. Z was the tying run. El Jefe gets Z. That's a huge, huge out. El Jefe train.
Sammy Estes, let's go.
Sammy, way to be.
Big out.
Big, Barsano.
Right now.
Second.
Right now.
I want you on second. Come on.
Okay, Al, play your game. Yeah. What happened in game one? You weren't playing your game. You lost it a little bit.
They hit well.
They hit.
Very well.
It's gonna happen every now and
They
then.
hit. We didn't hit. Now Jeff's in rhythm. We're making the plays.
Yeah.
Wind's holding a lot of stuff up. Simply pitching on you.
And Bahara's shot was a bomb just now.
You could play 5 steps in because anything above you is
Is gonna be held up.
that field.
Yeah.
The wind's taking it over the tracks.
Yeah, for one team.
What happened?
Catchers lost 18-4 via Mercy. They're 0-4. Yeah, they're 0-4. But the other 0-2 teams are all winning.
Okay, we got to win right now.
Okay, I'll say.
0-4 catchers.
0-4 catchers. The other 0-2s look like they're going to be either 2-2 or at least 1-3.
The woman, El Saka, he left early. I just want you to know.
Oh no, L.
Ask him. He'll tell you the truth.
Oh,
I thought the rules, Terry, only the captain could talk to the umpires. And the commissioner. Only the captains can talk to the commissioner.
I don't like that.
Only the captains can talk to the commissioner. Lo, give me a hug.
did he really do? He left early? Did the guy really leave early, or was it
I
stupidity?
will tell you, going to the
Ugh.
school of Mo Haber captain
Ugh.
is better than
Don't
any
blame it on him.
Zolta School of Draftology is the best college in the entire. Thank you. 1 year of Moshiach is enough to make you an imagine.
Is that what changed you from the big red? We didn't.
Yeah.
Okay, on the 30 for 30.
Try to be best, cause you're only a man, and a man's gotta learn to take it. Try to believe, though the going gets rough, that you gotta hang tough to make it. History repeats itself, try and you'll succeed. Never doubt that you're the one, and you can have your dreams. You're the best around, nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around, nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around, nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
A shortstop and least hitter in John Liaison. I mean, you start, keep going to bed tonight with Joe Greenberg.
When the odds in the game defy you, try your best to win them all, and one day time will tell when you're the one that's standing there.
Solomon is a prolific hitter. He gets up there no matter what the situation is.
Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around.
We're going with another top 2 round player. Nathan Donovan just went in the
Never keep you down.
great. The pick right now, who makes this trade, that may define the rest of the trip. But you know what? Talking about it, it's a trade that bothers you, not the pick. Not the pick, Lord. The trade. The pick? No. The trade. The pick? No. The trade. Okay.
Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. Fight till you drop. Never stop. Can't give up till you reach the top. You're the best in town. Listen to that sound. A little bit of all you got can never bring you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around.
Gone. That is gone. That's gone. El Saka, go. Just go.
This is a bomb by Elsack. Just in time. Okay. Text Sammy Saka back. David, text your dad. Cool, David Saka. He just smacked it. Okay, so now it's what? 5-1. 5-1. That's a big run. Holly will keep this going. Holly on the board of directors of the Borough of Deal. He's fourth in line for the mayorship. Gonna rename this town Hollywood. Hollywood, New Jersey.
That held up in
You gotta scream like your father. Elliot! Elliot!
We know why we lost.
Why did you lose game one? Because you gave up 18 runs, or
Sammy Saka.
you didn't score 19?
First missed game in 3 years.
Right.
Asulin has missed more games than Sammy.
Faham has missed more games for flag football than Sammy Saka. Holly! That's gonna be a fair ball! Extra bases, and here come the wing flaps. That's a double for Holly. It is 6-1. L, nice shot. Come on. Charles Saka now batting. Nobody out in this inning. This looks like it's going to drop. Then it looks like a great catch, but the ball pops out. So it goes down as a single for Charles. Maybe he will win the batting title. Single with no advancement. Jake Braha, the hard luck double play, lines out to Z. And then a fly out to Bahara. 6-1 Angels. Bottom of the 6, Hank DeWeck now batting. He walks to lead things off. Mocas now batting. You can see a big swing. Not much to show for it. A strikeout by Morris Casson. Alan Jamal, look at this shot. Look at the play by Joey Cohen. Running back, avoiding the collision and still making the outstanding grab. This is unbelievable. What a play by Joey Cohen, preserving the 6-1 lead. Simcha lines out to left. We go to the 7th.
Let's go!
7th inning, 6-1 game. That's a strikeout by Simcha of IC. Sammy Esses doesn't strike out, but hits it around the foot in front of the plate. And then Aharon, an easy fly out. So easy 1-2-3 inning there, but it's a 6-1 game. Bottom 7 coming up, no big deal.
No pressure.
Hurry.
Very tough to get that going down 6-1 middle of the 7th on a freezing day, but credit Mocas, he will not give up. LD inspired by the train. That is a triple sliding in, but only Mocas cheering.
Let's go, Al! Elliot! Guys, can I get a choo-choo, please? Guy just hit a triple. Can we get it?
In an angry and upset voice, he's yelling, guys, can I get a choo-choo, please? Look at El Hefe, his arms to the side as if that's a easy routine grounder. That ball was smoked.
Choo-choo! L-Dog, give it to me. Let's go.
Okay, the run did come home there, so it's 6-2. Mo Haber walks. There's 2 men on. Tying run on deck. This is Bahara. He's going to pop up. The wind swirling. Joey almost catches it while falling backwards, but the lineup does turn, and here we go. Michael M.C. Cohen, another high pop into the swirling wind. It is actually caught by Elsack in right field. Z-Train down to their last out here. Zach Ashkenazi, that's a clean base hit. A run will score. It is 6-3, and more importantly, the tying run at the plate and power hitting Hank DeWeck, the middle of the Z-Train lineup. Hank down to the last out. He rips a base hit. Station to station for the train. Mocas batting, bases loaded. He also rips a base hit. 1 run will score, 2 runs will score. It is 6-5. The tying run suddenly at second base. 4 runs already in. Alan Jamal, a high pop. Who's going to catch it? Wind's going crazy. Charles catches it basically with his bare hand. That ball was rolling out of his glove. He makes the catch, and they hold on 6-5. Let's see it one more time. Wishing everybody a Shabbat Shalom, and let's hope for less rain than forecasted so we could play on Sunday.